Good morning, grade 1. How are you? Are you ready to get the start today? Yes, listen to me. In the last lesson, we learned how to measure an object by using what? Very good, length unit. Give me some example of the length unit. Give me like cubes, very good, like paper clips, very good, like string, very good. In our lesson today, we will learn how to use appropriate tools. And this is our lesson. Use appropriate tools. If I have two objects, here I have ribbon and here I have what? I want to draw straight line like this. This ribbon, it's not the straight object, it's curvy object. Curvy object. Repeat with me, curvy object. But here I have a straight line. The green line is straight. So let us learn how to measure the curvy object. Listen to this video.
How do you measure an object that is not straight? Let's find out. How is the snake different from other objects you have measured?
Good question. How is the snake different from other objects you have measured? Look at the snake. It's straight or curvy? It's curvy object or not a straight object. Very good. Continue.
The snake is not straight. What tools can you use to measure the snake?
What tools can you use to measure something that is not straight?
Give me some examples of tools. Yes, some of students answered cubes, paper clips, also string. Very good. Listen.
You can use paper clips, cubes, string, or more than one tool. Why is the string a good tool for measuring the snake?
Why is the string a good tool for measuring the snake? Why? Think. Very good, because I can bend the string. I can bend the string and I can make the string curvy. So I can measure the snake by using the string because I can bend the string and make it curvy.
The string is a good tool because you can bend it to be curvy so it will line up along the snake. How can you use a string to measure the snake?
How?
First,
Watch the video.
line the string up with the snake.
So first, line the string up with the snake, like this picture. After that, what we will do?
Next, you can straighten the string and then measure its length with cubes.
And we know how to measure it with the cubes.
The snake is about 5 cubes long.
Very good. Now, if I have a curvy object, I will use two things. I will use to measure it two things. I will use the string and the cube. But if I have only straight line or straight object, I want to use only one thing, cubes. And this is our lesson today. If I have a curvy object, I will use two things, string and cubes. But if the object is straight object, then I will use one thing, which is cubes or paper clips. Now, move to the exercise. Read the question, circle whether you need just cubes or string and cubes to measure each object, then measure. Here, I have question number 2, marker. Look at the marker. It's a straight object or curvy object? Straight object. So, I will choose what? Cubes. Very good. And I think it's about 6 cubes. 6 cubes. Move to the next exercise. This object is curvy or straight? Of course it's curvy. So I will use cubes or string and cubes. Very good. I will use string and cubes. And if we measure it, it's about, also I think it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 7 cubes. Now, here, fourth question. It's a straight object or curvy? It's straight. So what I will use? Cubes. Very good. And it's about 1, 2, it's about 3 cubes. Not exactly, it's about. Very good. The flower. We can use what here? Cubes. Very good. And it's about 2 cubes. Last question. Try it yourself. We can use cubes or we can use string and cubes. What do you think? It's a curvy object. So which tools I will choose? I think it. Very good. String and cubes. It's about 5 cubes. This is our lesson today. Thank you very much, dear students.